Look at this certified pre-owned 2011 Toyota Tacoma. This Tacoma has just under 20,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. This Tacoma boasts a 4.0-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power steering, CD player, air conditioning, dynamic stability and overhead console. Call 877-680-0606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.